Mepacho, it is not about be the first to know, but Asante Kotoko nsɛm no isia yɛde mu nkyerɛ mu nsɛm a ɛkɔ so wɔ grounds no ɛna yɛde bro. Coach Kwesi Appiah has been touted say obetima be Kumasi Asante Kotoko head coach na ɔne hwan ɛna sisi coaching job no omu lead na Yaw Amponsah no pa yɛde bro say ɛdeɛ ni besi ama na Yaw still na ya maintain as the CEO of the club ɛbɛyɛ Dr. Kofi Aban. Coach Prosper Ogum, former Kumasi Asante Kotoko coach, likely say obe join Kumasi Asante Kotoko and as a Kwesi Appiah and ebe so months num. Mamemfa information we entwemu maw. Kasim Mingle Bechem United na oye omo head coach. Kasim Mingle. Yes, Bechem finishes second. Omayade. Na Kasim join the newly promoted Premier League club, which is Nations FC. Now no me catch you say Nations FC nti. Anase Kumasi Asante Kotoko nti. Coach Ogum eba Kumasi. Yes. Eba hey be didi nkomo bi. Say likely say obe return to Kumasi no obe coach. Na two teams are na Ogum likely say obe join no Nations FC. Anase Kumasi Asante Kotoko. And the Nations assign Kasim Mingala say no Ogum to Nations FC no out. Ogum to Nations FC, which is owned by Dr. Kwame Emma and Dr. Kwame dia Dr. Kwame Mano edia say no Ogum out. In this say no Kumasi Asante Kotoko abeka two coaches likely say on sign omo no say akoye Kwesi Appiah na Coach Oguma likely say obenya return to the club. Kwesi Appiah enkomodie no egusuko management contacte no na board some board also contacte no but omunyina no omadwumadie ebe. That's the problem right now, and we are learning say there's going to be IMT, interim management committee. Maybe a omunebe appointments now, we can't tell, but time is running. Time is needed for pre-season for Kumasi Asante Kotoko. And upon me catch say Yaw Amponsah, the CEO of the club, no, to say no, they are denying no. The chances to be retained no is dependent on Dr. Kofi Aban. Say Kofi Aban be nye juman. Na Kofi Aban nye juman there is no way Yaw Amponsah ebe so as the CEO of Asante Kotoko. The ATNA. Everything is subjected to change based on the open so 2 say to be the patro unsubscribe ya other man no hit the rest subscribe button. Me de usi a cha bebre me call